Hello charters. Today we will start with partnership. Correct? Partnership में we are supposed to study partnership में fundamentals of partnership, admission, retirement, death, dissolution and piecemeal distribution. We'll solve a lot of questions. Correct? So let's start with one of my favorite questions, that is this question. You've seen this question? Good, better and best. Sir, you will do this attempt ka question? Yes. Previous attempt ka question? Yes. Everything will do. Correct? Now, let us understand now. Good, better and best are in partnership. Correct? So partnership mein whatever concepts, whatever theory is there, we'll understand along with solving questions only. Correct, sir? Correct. Good, better and best are in partnership, sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2:4. Their capital account balances as on 31st of March 2012 are as follows. Good 1,70,000, better 1,10,000, best 1,22,000. Okay. Following further information is provided. That is 22,240 is to be transferred to general reserve. Good, better and best are paid monthly salary in cash amounting to rupees 2,400, 1,600 and 1,800 respectively. ये तो कैश में सैलरी, ठीक है, पर मंथ. Partners are allowed interest on their closing balance at the rate of 6%. Correct? And are charged interest on drawings at the rate of 8%. Good and best are entitled to a commission of 8% and 10% respectively of net profits before making any appropriation. Matlab they are getting, good and best are getting, good and best are getting what? 8% and 10% commission on their net profit before any appropriation. Net profit before any appropriation means net profit as per profit and loss account. Correct hai? Yes, no, yes sir. Thereafter, better is entitled to a commission of 15% of the net profit before charging interest on drawings, but after making all other appropriations. That means, but not before charging interest on drawing, but after subtracting all other expenses. Okay. That means it is 15% of net profit minus all other appropriation. Correct? During the year, good withdrew rupees 2,000 at the beginning of every month, better rupees 1 minute. Better rupees 1,750 at the end of every month and best rupees 1,250 at the end of every month. Firm's accountant is entitled to a salary of 2,000 per month and a commission of 12% of net profit after charging such commission. 12% of net profit after charging such commission. After charging such commission ka matlab, how much is commission? Can you tell me? Commission will be 12 by 100 or 12 by 112. Fatafat, it is after charging. If commission is after charging such commission chartered, it becomes 12 by 112. Yes sir, no sir. If it is after charging such commission, it will become 12 by 112. Yes, no. Anybody any doubt in this? No. Now charted. The net profit for the year ended before providing any of the above appropriation is 2,76,000. Any of the above appropriation means adjustment number 1 to 7, nothing is provided. Adjustment number 1 to 7, nothing is provided, yes or no? Now charted, my question is, there are two types of accounts you have heard. One is PL account, one is P&L appropriation account. My question is, what is the difference between P&L account and what and P&L appropriation account. P&L account records all items of income and expenditure between the firm and outsiders. P&L account records all items of income and expenditure between the firm and the outsiders. Am I clear? But P&L appropriation account records all the items of income and expenditure between the firm and the partners. Is that clear? Yes or no? Haan sir. P&L account records income and expenses with outsiders, whereas P&L appropriation records income and expenses with partners. Now chartered, tell me, remuneration payable to accountant, firm's accountant, remuneration, please reply everybody. Remuneration payable to firm's accountant should come in PL account or PL appropriation account? Remuneration payable to firm's accountant should come in PL account or should come in PL appropriation account? PL account. Now again I tell you, PL account will record expenses and income with outsiders, and appropriation will record expenses and income with partners. So tell me chartered, accountant is a partner or outsider? Accountant is a partner or outsider? Fatafat tell me. Sridhar tell me. Samiksha tell me. Accountant is a partner or outsider? JKSC 2214. Outsider. If accountant is outsider, remuneration paid to accountant should come in PL account or PL appropriation? Fatafat. Should come in PL account or PL appropriation? Very good. Sir, it will all, everybody is now saying it will come in PL account. Very good. I'm so happy. PL account. PL account. Oh my God. Everybody is telling me PL account. Chalo. That means this 2,76,000 is before all the 7 adjustments? Yes. If 2,76,000 is before all the 7 adjustments, that means, I hope you listen very carefully every word. This 2,76,000 is before all the 7 adjustments. If it is before all the 7 adjustments, that means it is before 7th adjustment also. And 7th adjustment should impact net profit or divisible profit. The 7th adjustment will impact PL account, therefore it should impact net profit. Exactly. That means firm's accountant salary should be subtracted from net profit. Correct, incorrect? So now charted, this 2,76,000 is without accountant's remuneration. This net profit is without accountant's remuneration. But remuneration should go in PL account. So net profit should be after accountant's salary, yes or no? Net profit should be after accountant's salary. Yes, no. If it is yes, thumbs up. If it is no, thumbs down. Net profit should be after accountant's salary, and the salary which is given in remuneration, net profit should be after accountant's remuneration. Whatever remuneration is given in the question, whatever net profit is given in the question, that is before accountant's remuneration. I repeat. Net profit is how much? 276. There is firm's accountant remuneration, that is salary plus commission. This should come in PL account. This should come in PL account, but they have not considered. How do I know they have not considered? Because it is stated in the question, net profit before all the above adjustment, that means before adjustment number 7 also. That means they have not considered accountant's salary. That means this net profit is before accountant's remuneration, and we want net profit after accountant's remuneration. Why? Because net profit is after considering all PL items, and accountant will come in PNL. Are you understanding what I am saying? 276 is net profit. Yes. Before accountant's remuneration. Yes. We want net profit after accountant's remuneration. Yes. Why? Because accountant's remuneration should come in PL account and not PL appropriation. Has everybody understood? If understood, yes, then thumbs up. No, then thumbs down. Fatafat. Now chartered. Now, so point number calculation of calculation of correct net profit. Correct net profit. Now, my wonderful chartered accountant, write down wrong net profit is how much? 2,76,000. Wrong net profit. Why? Because this net profit is before accountant's remuneration. 2,76,000 less accountant's remuneration. Accountant's remuneration. Bolo chartered. Accountant's remuneration is how much? Sir, accountant's remuneration is 2,000 per month. Accountant's remuneration is 2,000 per month. That is 2,000 multiplied by 12. That comes to how much? That is, salary is 2,000 per month. That is 24,000, and commission is how much? Sir, commission is 12% on net profit after charging such commission. Commission is 12% of net profit after charging such commission. If it is after charging, then we are supposed to do 12 by 112. Yes, sir. No, sir. This we had understood when we did final accounts also, that after charging it will become X by 100 plus X. Yes or no? Yes, sir. 12 by 112 into 276 minus 24. 276 minus 24. That comes to how much? 252. 12 by 112 into 252. How much? 27,000. Now tell me, how much is the correct net profit? Correct net profit is equal to 2,52,000. Yes or no? Yes, sir. No. No. One minute. One minute, chatter. Yeah, 225, correct. No, 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 no. Yeah, 225. Now, thereafter we'll prepare. Thereafter we'll prepare what? Thereafter we'll prepare PL appropriation. Ready? Yes, sir. Now, first thing we'll write is by net profit. How much? 2,25,000. By net profit 2,25,000. This is P&L appropriation. Correct. Now let's read adjustment number 1. Adjustment number 1 says rupees 22,240 is to be transferred to general reserve. Rupees 22,240 is to be transferred to general reserve. Correct? Yes. So we'll write in our PL appropriation account. We'll write in our PL appropriation account to general reserve. How much? 22,240. Correct? Yes. Thereafter charted. Adjustment number 2. Good, better and best are paid monthly salary in cash at the rate of 2,000 per month. Monthly salary in cash at the rate of 2,400, 1,600 and 1,800. My wonderful chartered accountant to salary good, better, good, better and best. Tell me chartered. Good ka salary is how much? 2,400. 2,400 per month. That means full year ka salary is how much? 2,400 per month. Therefore chartered. Full year ka salary is how much? Bolo bolo. 28,800. Better ka salary is how much? Better ka salary is 1,600. 1,600 per month. Therefore full year ka salary chartered. How much? Sir, full year का salary is 19,200. बहुत अच्छे. Then best का salary is how much? Sir, best का salary is 1,800. 1,800 into full year is how much? Sir, 21,600. My wonderful chartered accountant. इस देश का उज्जवल भविष्य. The brightest future of this country. Please tell me what is the total salary? Sir, total salary is 69,600. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Correct. Now, उसके बाद एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 1 हो गया, 2 हो गया. पार्टनर्स आर अलाउड इंटरेस्ट ऑन दर क्लोजिंग बैलेंस. क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ व्हाट? कैपिटल. 6% in interest on drawing at the rate of 8%. So we will charge interest on capital. Capital is given as 1,70,000, 1,10,000 and 1,22,000. So we are supposed to calculate interest on capital at the rate of 6% on 170, 110 and 122. Any problem chartered? No sir, no problem. 2. To interest on capital at the rate of 6%. To interest on capital at the rate of 6%. Good. Good. Good का capital is how much? 1,70,000. 1,70,000 का 6% is 10,200. Then good, better. Better का salary is 6%. The 6% is how much? 1,10,000 का 6% is 6,600. Best is how much? Sir, best is 6% of 1,22,000. 6% of 1,22,000 is how much? 7,320. Na 24,120 is the total. 24,120 is the total interest on capital. Sir, oh sir, in this adjustment, no, there is interest on drawings also. Yes, there is interest on drawings also. But drawings we don't know in this adjustment. No, drawings we'll know in future adjustment. In future adjustment, we'll calculate interest on drawings. Okay? Okay, sir. 1 done, 2 done, 3 done, 4. Good and best are entitled to a commission of 8% and 10% respectively on net profit before making any appropriation. That means without writing anything in PL appropriation, if we give them commission, so 2 commission. Now chartered, tell me, 2 commission means what? 2 commission means, kiska commission? Good. Good ka commission is how much? The good ka commission is 8% of net profit before charging any appropriation. Now chartered, 8% of net profit before charging any appropriation means 8% of 2,25,000, because 2,25,000 is that net profit from where we have still not charged any appropriation. Yes sir, no sir. Yes sir, no sir. 8% of 2,25,000. That comes to 18,000. Everybody understood this part? That net profit before charging any appropriation is nothing but net profit only. Net profit before charging any appropriation means net profit only. Yes? No? Then good, better. Acha, again, tell me one thing. Net profit before any appropriation, they have told, no? 8% and 10% of net profit before making any appropriation. Net profit before making any appropriation is 2,25,000 only. Yes? Thumbs up? No? Thumbs down? Correct. Chalo. Then good, better. Anybody has any doubt, you can write. Good, better. Better is how much? Sir? Oh sir. Better is 10%. 10% of net profit before any appropriation. 10% of net profit before any appropriation means 10% of 2,25,000. That comes to how much? 22,500. Now, so adjustment number 1, 2, 3, 4 done. 5. Better is entitled to a commission of 15% of net profit before charging interest on drawing, but after making all other appropriation. This is before making all appropriation. This is after making all appropriation. Now that means it is how much percent? Good, better. This is best. Now better. How much? 15%. 15% of net profit, that is 225. Before interest on drawing. Did I charge interest on drawing? No. If it is before interest on drawing, I have not charged also interest on drawing. But after all other appropriation, how many appropriations are there? There is 1 appropriation, 2 appropriation, 3 appropriation, 4 and 5. Am I clear? Yes, sir. Five appropriations are there. 5 appropriations are there charted. One is general reserve, then salary, then interest on capital, then commission to good, commission to best. So 2,25,000 minus 22,240 minus 69,600 minus 24,120 minus 18,000, excuse me, minus 22,500. Correct? 15% of 2,25,000 minus 22,240 minus 69,600 minus 24,120 minus 18,000 minus 22,500. Did everybody understand this? Correct. So it is coming to how much? 15% of this figure is coming to how much? Correct. That is coming to 10,281. 10,281. So total commission will become 18 plus 22,500 plus 10,281. That comes to 50,781. That comes to 50,781. Yes or no? Now, my wonderful chartered accountant, can you please? So adjustment number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 till 5 we have done. After charging all other appropriations, so other appropriation is GR, salary, interest on capital, commission to good, commission to best. We have done. Now charted adjustment number 6. During the year, good withdrew 2,000 beginning, better 1,750 at the end and best 1,250 in the middle. What is rate of interest on drawing? Rate of interest on drawing is 8%. 8%. Now, yes, chartered. By interest on drawings. By interest on drawings chartered. Who? Good. Good ka interest on drawings is how much? Good is drawing how much per month? Sir, good is drawing 2,000 per month. So 2,000 into 12. Good is drawing 2,000 per month. That is 2,000 into 12. Into rate of interest. Rate of interest is 8%. And good is drawing at the beginning of each month. Good is drawing at the beginning of each month. If it is at the beginning of each month, we will calculate interest on drawing for 6.5 months. Wonderful. If we are drawing at the end of each month, then we will calculate interest on drawing at the rate of 5.5 months. Wonderful. At the middle of every month, then we will calculate interest on drawing for 6 months. Over here, it is beginning of every month. Therefore, chartered will calculate interest on drawing into 6.5 by 12. 6.5 by 12. Tell me, chartered, how much is the interest on drawing? Interest on drawing is 1040. Good के बाद better. Better. आजा. Better का drawings is how much? Sir, better का drawings is 1750 per month into 12 into 8%. And better is drawing at the end of every month. Better is drawing at the end of every month. Therefore, we will calculate interest on drawings for how many months? Sir, 5.5 end of every month. Beginning 6.5, end is 5.5. Dum tananana. How much it comes to? 770. Govinda. Govinda. Please taking God's name. Best. Best is drawing how much, sir? Best is drawing 1250 into 12 into 8% into best is drawing at the middle of every month. Best is drawing at the middle of every month. That is how much? 6 by 12. That comes to how much? 600. Now, my wonderful chartered accountant, can you tell me what is the total interest on drawing? Yeah, sir. We can tell you 1040 plus 770 plus 600 is 2410. 2410. Now. Now calculate the profit chartered. Now calculate the profit. Calculate the profit. Two divisible profits. Two divisible profits. How much? Hey, tell me. Na, 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 na. 60,669. These divisible profits will be distributed between good, better, and best. Good, better, and best. In which ratio? 3 to 4. In the ratio 3 to 4. Now charted, that will give you 60,669. In the ratio 3 to 4 will give you how much? 20,000. 2 to 3. 13,000. 482. 26,964. 20,000 to 23, 13,482. Correct charted? Haan, sir. Correct. Shall we move ahead? Yes. Now chartered accountant. Weak, able and crazy. Everybody has done this. Shall we move to the next question? Anybody, any doubt? No. Now we'll do one more question. This is also there in institute material chartered. This is also there in institute material. We'll do all institute material MTP and past examination questions only. Chale? Haan. Weak, able and lazy are in partnership sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1:1. They agreed that interest on capital will be how much? Interest on capital will be 10% and interest on drawing will be 8%. And the following particulars of capital and drawings are given. Capital account 75, 40, 30,000. Current account 10, 10 and 5 debit. Drawings 15, 10 and 10. Now chartered, weak, able and lazy ka amount of drawings are given. But when did they draw money? Is it given? Is date of drawing given? No. If date of drawing is not given, we'll calculate interest on drawing. Interest on drawing for how many months? For 6 months. If date of drawing is not given, then we will calculate interest on drawing for 6 months. The draft accounts. Oh my God. What is the draft accounts? Accounts not completely ready. They are still in rough state is known as draft accounts. The draft accounts of 2011 showed a net profit of 60,000 before taking into account interest on capital and drawing subject to the following adjustment. That means 60,000 is before interest on capital and interest on drawing and subject to the following adjustments. Subject to the following rectification. That means these errors are yet to be rectified. That means chartered 60,000 profit which is given in the question is before interest on capital, before interest on drawings and before rectification of errors. Am I clear? So without wasting time, let's start with rectification of errors. What does the question state? Now, question states, life insurance premium of week amounting to rupees 750 paid by the firm on 30th June has been charged to miscellaneous expenditure. Has been charged to miscellaneous expenditure. So you will remove from miscellaneous expenditure, correct? You will remove from miscellaneous expenditure and you will add it to life insurance premium. Yes. So journal entry, rectified entry will become what? The rectified entry, you will remove from miscellaneous expenditure. So miscellaneous expenditure will be credited and life insurance premium of week will be debited. The entry will become drawings to miscellaneous expenditure. Drawings of week, how much? 750, 750. Now chartered, if you have credited miscellaneous expenditure, that means your miscellaneous expenditure is coming down. Yes. If your miscellaneous expenditure is coming down, that means your net profit is going up. Yes. If your net profit is going up, that means add to net profit. Correct? Miscellaneous expenditure credited, that means miscellaneous expenditure decreasing. Expenditure decreasing, net profit increasing. Drawings of week will increase. So add 750. Charted, this drawing happened on which date? 30th June. And it is stated 2011. 2011 ka matlab year ending is 31st of March or 31st of December. Fatafat tell me. It is given draft accounts for 2011. Draft accounts for 2011 means year ending is 31st of December, 31st of March. Year ending is 31st of December. Very good. And when did you draw? When did we draw this money? 30th of June. If you have drawn the money on 30th of June and year ending is 31st of December, if you have drawn the money on 30th of June and the year ending is 31st December, that means on this 750 also, you are supposed to calculate interest on drawings. You are supposed to calculate interest on drawings for how many months? 6 months. Am I clear? So chartered, on this 15,000 you will calculate interest on drawing for 6 months. On this 750 also you will calculate interest on drawing for 6 months. On this 15,000 you will calculate interest on drawing for 6 months. Because date of drawing is not given. But on this 750 you will calculate interest on drawing for 6 months because this drawing is made on 30th of June. 30th June to year end chartered. 30th June to year end is 6 months. So 6 months ka interest you will calculate on this. Correct? Yes. Now chartered. This is very important. Repairs of machinery amounting to rupees 10,000 has been debited to plant. Oh my God. It should have been debited to. It should have been debited to repairs. But they have debited to which account? Plant account. So what you will do? Sir, you will include in repairs and remove from plant. Exactly. repairs to plant and machinery. Correct entry should have been repairs to cash. But wrong entry is plant to cash. Correct entry is repairs to cash. Wrong entry is plant to cash. Correct entry is repairs to cash. Wrong entry is plant to cash. Therefore, rectified entry will be exactly. Rectified entry will be plant to repairs. Sorry. Rectified entry will be repairs to plant. How much? Correct. If you have debited repairs, that means less from net profit. Is this clear? Exactly. Repairs to plant. Now charted, you had debited to which account? Plant account. Listen to this sentence very clearly. If you want, you can write them down also. They had wrongly debited to plant. If they had wrongly debited to plant, that means they would have wrongly charged depreciation also. That depreciation should be reversed. Yes. If they have wrongly debited to plant, that means they would have wrongly charged depreciation also. So we should reverse that depreciation which they had wrongly charged. Correct. If they had debited plant, so they would have charged depreciation also. But that depreciation is too incorrect. If that depreciation is incorrect, then we should reverse depreciation. Yes. If we reverse depreciation, what is the journal entry? If you reverse depreciation, no. Journal entry is plant and machinery to depreciation. How much? 20% of 10,000. Correct? 2,000. If you credit depreciation, your depreciation will reduce. If your depreciation will reduce, profit will increase. Add to net profit. And simply charted one more thing. They had charged depreciation wrongly, you are supposed to remove it. Yes. If they debited to plant, that means they would have charged the depreciation wrongly. They would have charged depreciation wrongly. You have to remove that wrongly charged depreciation. You have to remove that wrongly charged depreciation. If you remove that wrongly charged depreciation, you are removing expense. You are removing expense. Expense will come down. Profit will go up. Correct, incorrect? Correct. Acha. So charted. This is one drama. This is another drama. This is another drama. Correct? हाँ, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Traveling expense of rupees 3,000 of Abel for a pleasure trip to UK. Oh ho! Abel is going for a pleasure trip to UK. UK means United Kingdom. Na bapu na. He is going to Uttarakhand only. 3,000 mein where he'll go to UK. Paid by the firm on 30th of June has been debited to traveling expense. Now, pleasure trip to UK by Abel. Pleasure trip to UK by Abel. This is personal expenditure of Abel. If this is personal expenditure of Abel, chartered, they should have debited what? So then they should have debited. Then they should have debited plant and. Sorry. Then they should have debited drawing. Exactly. Then they should have debited drawing. But they have debited what? Sir, they have debited. Bolo. They have debited what? So they have debited traveling expense. So what is the rectified entry? Correct entry should have been drawings to cash. Wrong entry is what? Traveling to cash. So rectified entry should be what? Correct entry drawings to cash. Wrong entry traveling to cash. Therefore rectified entry will be drawings to traveling expense. Correct entry drawings to cash. Wrong entry traveling to cash. Drawings to traveling. Otherwise you can say they should have debited which account? Drawings. But they have wrongly debited which account? Traveling expense. So removed from traveling expense and added to drawings. Remove from traveling expense and add it to drawings. How much? 3,000. If you are crediting traveling expense chartered, if you are crediting traveling expense, that means your traveling expense is coming down. If your traveling expense is coming down, your profit will increase. That means add to profit. That means add to profit. Correct? Huh. Now chartered. Now chartered. Now we will calculate first correct profit. Calculation of correct profit chartered. Now let's calculate. Now chartered. Profit as per draft accounts. Profit as per draft accounts. Now chartered profit as per draft accounts is how much? 60,000. Correct. Miscellaneous expense. Miscellaneous expense wrongly debited. Miscellaneous expense wrongly debited. How much? 750. Profit will go up by 750. First adjustment done. Second adjustment में repairs not debited. Repairs not debited. Profit will come down by 10,000. Depreciation wrongly debited. Profit will go up by 2,000. Then last adjustment, traveling expense wrongly debited. 3,000. Now tell me the correct profit. So profit will increase. So whatever is add profit, 3 are add profit. 1, 2, 3 are add profit. 1 is less. No. 55, 750. Correct, Sanjana. $55, 750. Correct? Yes. Now chartered PL appropriation account. PL appropriation. Now chartered PL appropriation. So they had told that this net profit of 60,000 is without interest on capital, without interest on drawing and rectification. Rectification that we have done. So this net profit is now without two items. What is that? Interest on capital and interest on drawings. Now, able ka also drawings will increase by how much? 3,000 because of his pleasure trip to UK. But this 3,000 also, Abel spent it on 30th of June. This 3,000 also Abel spent it on 30th June. If he spent it on 30th June chartered, that means this drawings will also happen on 30th June. If happens on 30th June chartered, that means we are supposed to charge interest for half year. Bolo bolo. By net profit. $55,750. By net profit 55 net 750. By interest on drawings. By interest on drawings. Whose drawings good, better and nay? Weak, able and lazy. Now charted weak. Weak ka drawings is 10,750, 15,750, 13 and 10. 15,750, 13,000, 10,000. Rate of interest is 8%. Rate of interest is 8%. From where you got 8%, sir? Arey nalayak, it is printed in the question only. Into 6 by 12. 6 by 12. Sir, why are you calculating for 6 months, sir? Arey, chartered date of drawing is not given. If date of drawing is not given, you will calculate interest for 6 months only. No. That's why I had written in the starting only. Interest on drawing for 6 months. Oh, sorry, sir. I forgot. Into 6 by 12. Now tell me, fatafat drawings. Interest on drawings is how much? Interest on drawings is how much? Yes, sir. No, sir. Now, hey, chartered, you are understanding? Yes. Weak. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, YouTube wali public, are you understanding? 6:30. YouTube wale chartered, are you all enjoying? 400. That means total interest on drawing is how much? Total interest on drawing is how much? Hema Goda. Solo. Total interest on drawing, nobody is telling. See. 1550. 1. Then charted 2 interest on capital. 2 interest on capital. WAL, wall, weak, able, lazy. Weak, able, lazy charted at the rate of, tell no please. Weak, able, lazy at the rate of 10%. To 10% of 75, 10,000 and 15,000. That is 7,500, 4,000 and 3,000. Seriously, sir? 7,500, 40,000 and 3,000. 40,000 ka 4 and 3. Correct. Now charted, what is the total interest on capital? What is the total interest on capital? 75457 14,500. Now, two divisible profits. Two divisible profits. 42,800. That will distribute between weak, able, and lazy. Weak, able, and lazy में you will distribute chartered. How much? 21, 400, 10,700, 10,700. Hey, are you understanding? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, after this, the question says, you are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st of December 2011 and also show the current account of the partners. Oh my God, we are supposed to prepare current account. Current account. Weak, able, lazy. Weak, able, lazy. Now, current account. Now, my wonderful chartered accountant, can you tell me how much, what is the balance of current account? Current account, ये रहा. 10, 5 and 5 debit. 10, 5 and 5 debit. So, by balance brought down. 10,000. 5,000. To balance brought down. 5,000. Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, A ka balance kar. Then I have to check. Aditya. Then chartered by IOC. Interest on capital. 7500 4000 3000 to interest on drawings 630 520 400 by SOP. SOP means what? Son of Padosi. No, Baba. Share of profit. What is SOP? Share of profit. How much? 21,400, 10,700, 10,700. No. To balance carried down. Balance carried down. बोलो बोला. Now balance carried down. Now balance carried down is how much? 22 520 6180. 22 520 6180. Correct? Yes. And 2 drawings. 2 drawings. 15, 750, 13 and 10. 15, 750, 13,000, 10,000. Correct? 15, 750, 13,000 and 10,000. Charted by balance carried down. This is balancing figure. It becomes how much? 1,700. Correct? Yes sir, no sir. Yeah, understood. Now, anybody, any problem? Shall we move ahead? Yes. Now, my wonderful chartered accountant. This is another sum from institute material. Now, this is another sum from institute material. Chale? Yes. Yashwan, Abhishek, Akash. Chalo, 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 chalo. Now, Ram and Rahim are in partnership sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. ठीक है? As Rahim, on account of his advancing years, feels that he cannot work as hard as before. Acha, acha. Ram is becoming old, so Ram wants to do less work. So Ram says, feels he cannot work as hard as before, therefore chief clerk of the firm. Ratan is admitted as a partner with effect from 1st of October, January. Now let's assume Ram and Rahim. I am Ram, you are Rahim, we are partners. Now because of me aging, I am not able to work. So I advise to bring Ratan as a partner. I ask you, do you have any problem, Rahim? You say, no, Dipesh, you definitely can bring a partner. I told, I will give him 1/10 share of profits. So you can give him any share of profits. Why should I be bothered? That means, he said, Dipesh, you are not able to work. So you bring in a partner. So you have to give him share of profit out of your share. Firm will not bear. Are you understanding? You and I are partners. I am getting old. So I am bringing a new partner. So this new partner ka share I should bear or the firm should bear? Sir, you should only bear because you are bringing in the new partner because that new partner is doing work on your behalf. Correct. But then I told, as a clerk also Ratan was earning something, no? Let's assume Ratan was earning 20,000 as a clerk. Okay, sir. Now as a partner, if his share of profit comes to 25, then 20,000 to any which ways firm was given him. That you give. Extra 5,000 which Ratan should get as a partner, that I will give. Are you understanding? Hey, Ratan as a clerk was earning how much? 20,000. That much to you and I both should bear. Okay, sir. But as a partner, Ratan's share is coming to 25. So Ratan should get how much extra? Sir, 5 extra. That 5 extra I should bear. Why? Because Ratan is becoming a partner because of me. Am I clear? Yes, sir. I understood. Anybody, any doubt till here? If understood, thumbs up. If not understood, thumbs down. Akash got. That's one. Understood, everybody? Yes. Now chartered. Now chartered. Before becoming a partner, Ratan was getting 500 per month. Before becoming a partner, Ratan was getting a salary of rupees 500 per month, together with a commission of 4% on net profits after deducting his salary and commission. ठीक है? it is provided in partnership deed that the share of Ratan's profit as a partner in excess of the amount to which he would have been entitled if he has continued as a clerk should have been taken out of Ram's share. So he was entitled to 4% net profit after deducting his salary and commission. So his commission will become 4 by 104 after charging basis. Correct? No, his commission would become 4 by 104. Plus he is getting a salary of 500. The firm is selling whatever it is provided in the partnership deed that share of Ratan's profit as a partner in excess of the amount to which he would have been entitled if he had continued as the chief clerk. So whatever he was getting as the chief clerk, no problem. Anything excess he gets as a chief clerk would be taken out of Ram's share. That we had already discussed. Correct? Net profit for the year ended 31st of December 2000 1,10,000. Show the distribution. Now chartered. Calculation of excess amount. Calculation of excess amount payable to Ratan as a partner. Now I am supposed to find out how much excess is payable to him as a partner. Correct? Now, amount payable to Ratan. Amount payable to Ratan as partner is equal to 1/10 share of profit, that is 1/10 into 1,10,000 is equal to 11,000. Amount payable to Ratan as a partner, 1/10 of 1,10,000, that is 11,000 less amount payable to Ratan. Amount payable to Ratan as clerk. As clerk, he was getting a salary of 500 per month. That is 6,000. And he was getting commission after charging basis per. And he was getting commission on after charging basis. That is 4 by 104 into net profit 1,10,000 minus 6,000 salary. So Ratan was getting salary and commission. Now net profit is how much? Net profit is 1,10,000. If Ratan is a clerk, he should get salary. So I have subtracted salary from net profit. If Ratan is a clerk, he should get salary. Then I have subtracted 6,000 salary. On the remaining profit, he should get commission on after charging basis. On the remaining net profit, he should get a commission on after charging basis, that is 4 by 104. So how much commission he should get chartered? Bolo bolo. 4,000. Therefore, chartered total commission is how much? Total remuneration is 10,000 as a clerk. Therefore, how much excess is payable to him? 1,000. So as a clerk, he would have earned 10,000, but as a partner, he is earning 11,000. As a clerk, he would have earned 10,000, 4,000, sorry, 6,000 salary, 4,000 commission. As a clerk, he would have earned 10,000, 6,000 salary, 4,000 commission, he would have got 10. But as a partner, he would have earned 11. As a partner, he is getting 1,000 more. Who will that bear 1,000 more? That 1,000 more will be borne by whom? Bolo bolo. Ram. Now charted calculation of share of profit. Calculation of share of profit. Ram, Rahim, Ratan. Now charted Ratan's share. Ratan's share as clerk. Out of 1,10,000 profit, by 10,000 to Ratan would have earned any which ways as a clerk. By 10,000 to you give it to him. But total profit is 1,10,000. 1,10,000 mein Ratan would have got as a clerk also 10,000 that you give it to him. So remaining profit is how much? 1 lakh. That remaining profit of 1 lakh will be shared by Ram and Rahim. In which ratio? In the ratio 3:2. That means remaining profit (1,10,000) minus 10 is equal to 1 lakh between Ram and Rahim in 3:2. That is 60,000, 40,000. Correct charted? That is 60,000 and 40,000. Now, Ratan's excess share, Ratan's excess share borne by Ram. Ratan's excess share borne by Ram. How much? So Ratan should get excess 1,000. Yes, that would be borne by Ram. So you will take 1,000 from Ram, give it to Ratan. You will take 1,000 from Ram and give it to Ratan. $59, $40, and 9,000. Am I clear? Yes, no. Correct? Yes. And then we are supposed to prepare PL appropriation. PL appropriation. Bolo bolo. One lakh 10. Two divisible profits. Ram, Rahim, Ratan. Ram, Rahim and Ratan 59,000, 40,000, 11,000, total 1,10,000. Yes sir, no sir, yes sir. Correct. Now chartered. Today I am not feeling well. So today we'll finish the session here. We'll continue tomorrow. Am I clear?